What if your market research ran itself, finding real demand signals and customer pain points automatically every single week? Hey everyone, this is Rahul Joshi, and in this video, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered automated market research system that analyzes public discussions, extracts real insights, and delivers them straight to Notion and email. Our workflow begins with a scheduled market research trigger, automatically running on a fixed schedule for consistent research without manual effort. Step 2. Inject niche, query, and research nodes set node. This node defines the research context. Step 3. Analyze public discussions for market demand signals. AI agent. This node analyzes public discussions across search and social platforms. It looks for real pain points, unmet needs, competitor complaints, and buying intent. Step 4. Public Search and Social Intelligence Connector MCP client tool. This node fetches public data from search engines and social platforms. It supplies real-world discussions to the AI for analysis. Step 5. OpenAI Reasoning Engine for Market Signal Extraction GPT-4o. This node helps the AI reason over raw public data. It extracts only high-signal insights and filters out noise. Step 6. Convert market signals into Notion summary and customer email AI agent. This node transforms raw insights into two outputs, a Notion-ready summary and a customer-friendly email. Both are returned in structured JSON format. Step 7. OpenAI Reasoning Engine for Insight Formatting GPT-4o. This node refines clarity, tone, and structure. It ensures outputs are professional and easy to consume. Step 8. Parse structured insight output from AI code node. This node safely parses the AI's JSON output. It validates structure and prevents broken downstream execution. Step 9. Save market research insight to Notion database. Notion node. This node stores the research summary in a Notion database. It creates a long-term knowledge base for strategy and planning. Step 10. Send market insight email to stakeholder Gmail node. This node sends the customer-ready insight email. Stakeholders receive clear, actionable market intelligence. Step 11. Workflow error, handler error, trigger. This node activates if any step fails. It captures error context automatically. Step 12. Send workflow error alert Gmail node. This node sends an error alert email. It includes the failing node, error message, and timestamp. If you want smarter market insights without manual research, hit like, subscribe for more AI automation workflows, and I'll see you in the next video.